My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 BMW 2 Series M Sport. This vehicle has done just over 77,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We have a reversing parking camera, heated seats on either side. We can choose from a variation of different driving modes. So you have Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. We can get quick access to features such as navigation, go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.